Good morning, students. Today, I would like to start second chapter of the theme Nationalism in India. The chapter is differing strands within the movement. Differing strands within the non-cooperation movement. Students, non-cooperation Khilafat movement began in January 1921. Various social groups participated in this movement, each with its own specific aspiration. All of them responded to call of Swaraj, but the term meant different things to different people. Today's topic is the movement in the towns. The non-cooperation Khilafat movement Khilafat movement began in January 1921. Movement started with middle class participation in the cities. The movement started with middle class participants in the city. Thousands of students left government controlled schools and colleges. Headmasters and teachers resigned. The lawyer gave up their legal practices. Council elections were boycotted in most provinces except Madras, where the Justice Party, the party of non-Brahmins, felt that entering the council was one way of gaining some power, something that usually only Brahman has access to. Children, the effects of non-cooperation on the economic front were more dramatic. The effect of non-cooperation movement on economic front were more dramatic. Were more dramatic. How? Foreign goods were boycotted, liquor shop picketed, and foreign cloth burned in huge bonfire. The import of foreign cloth halved between 1921 and 1922. Its value dropping from rupees 102 crore to 57 crore. In many places, merchants and traders refused to trade in foreign goods or finance foreign trades. As the boycott movement spread and people began discarding imported cloths and wearing only Indian ones, production of Indian textiles and handlooms went up. Liquor shop picketed. Picket means the term picket. Picket means a form of demonstration. A form of demonstration or protest by which people block the entrance to a shop factory or office. The new term picket means a form of demonstration or protest by which people block the entrance to shop, factory or office. But this movement in cities gradually slowed down for a variety of reasons. But this movement in the cities gradually slowed down for a variety of reasons. This moment in the cities gradually slowed down for a variety of reasons. Khadi cloth was often more expensive than mass produced mill cloth, and poor people could now afford to buy it. Khadi cloths was often more expensive. And similarly, boycott of this institution Why did this movement slow down in the city? Because khadi cloths were often more expensive than mass produced mill cloths and poor people couldn't afford to buy it. How then could they boycott mill cloth for too long? Similarly, boycott of British institutions posed a problem. For the movement to be successful, alternative Indian institutions had to be set up so that they could be used in place of British ones. These were slow to come up, so students and teachers began trickling back to government schools and lawyers joined back work in government courts. There is the activity you have to do. So students, it is a very interesting activity. The year in 1921, you are a student in government controlled school. Design a poster using school students to answer Gandhi's call to join the non-cooperation movement. So it is part first. A point is movement in the towns. In the next part, I will teach you the other topics. Thank you.